How to delete messages on iPhone from both sides. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Now, open any chat from here. Go to the text bar and type in any message. Then, tap on the arrow icon to send it. If you want to unsend this message, then tap and hold the message. Then, tap on Undo Send. You have now successfully unsent this message. Following these steps, you can easily delete messages on iPhone from both sides. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.